skin is sensitive or if you have a compromised skin barrier, I'm going to show you how to acclimate your skin to vitamin C. So vitamin C is one of the gold standard ingredients to improve skin texture and tone. So if your skin is sensitive or if you have a compromised skin barrier, you might feel a burning or stinging or tingling when you apply a powerful vitamin C serum. So I'm going to share with you the vitamin C adjustment protocol. And this is a slow way for you to build up your tolerance to vitamin C so that you can realize the fantastic benefits that it can provide your skin. So the first step I recommend is that you stop using any active ingredients in any of your skincare products. Focus on hydrating and barrier building products for at least 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, your barrier is working to repair itself and to make your skin less sensitive. Then I want you to introduce a vitamin C serum with about 10 to 20% L-ascorbic acid. And I want you to apply that at nighttime over your barrier repair product, not under, but over your barrier repair product. Continue that for a few days, making sure there's no sensitivity, no stinging or burning, and then slowly build up to being able to do that twice a day, and then start applying your vitamin C serum under your barrier repair or moisturizing product. By then, you'd have totally adapted to vitamin C, and then you can start to realize the great benefits in terms of improving skin tone, texture, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and reducing hyperpigmentation, and all the great benefits of vitamin C. And also, what's unique about vitamin C is that it's also a powerful antioxidant, so you definitely want that protection in the AM. Any questions or comments, post a comment below.